Hello, my dear friends. How are you? I am sure you are always fine. Myself is Professor Dr. Deshpande, and we are back in the serial Ayurved for All. Let's make Ayurveda knowledge viral. That means it should spread to each and every part of the world to get understanding of this valuable knowledge that is Ayushaha Vedaha Ayurveda. It's a Ved. Ved means knowledge. It's a knowledge of life. How we can maintain the quality and quantity of our life. Only long life is not good. Quality of life is most important. And that's why Ayurveda helps you. Ayurvedic principles are helping you or helping us to make our life more enjoyable, more happy and more contented. We are talking about the types of Vata, Pitta and Kapha. I have already completed the 5 types of Vata dosha. They are Prana, Udana, Vyana, Samana and Apana. I have already completed also the types of Pitta dosha or the Pitta bioenergy, that is Pachaka Pitta, Pachak, Ranjak, Bhrajak, Sadhak and Alochak. Today I am going to talk with you regarding the 5 types of Kapha dosha. Of course, only one session is not enough to complete the 5 types. But let us start to talk about the 5 types of Kapha dosha. As everybody knows that dosha, dhatu, mala, moolam, hi. That means the dosha, dhatu and mala, these are the very basic and fundamental components of the human body. Dosha are like the bioenergies. Vata dosha is responsible for all types of movements in our body. The movements of the hands and legs and movements of the lungs and heart as well. Pitta dosha is concerned with all types of metabolic processes. It may be the digestion, it may be the metabolism, it may be the conversion, it may be the transformation. And today's topic is regarding the Kapha dosha or Kapha bioenergy. Kapha dosha or Kapha bioenergy is counteracting the phenomena of Vata and Pitta, because Vata dosha is having the property dry and Pitta dosha is hit and hot. Ushna and Tikshna, these are the properties of Pitta dosha. So naturally you can understand that Vata and Pitta bioenergy are moreover will concern towards the catabolism process or catabolic process. But there should be counteracting force. On the one side, Vata is a dry, Pitta is a Ushna and Tikshna. So opposite to that, we have to maintain our body. We have to nourishing our body. So Vata and Pitta are catabolically acting and Kapha dosha is anabolically acting. So Vata, Pitta, catabolic activity is counter-checked, counterbalanced by the Kapha dosha. So altogether, coordination, communication and homeostasis of Vata, Pitta and Kapha, this triangle is equilateral triangle. Triangle of Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Vata, Pitta and Kapha. This triangle is equilateral. Rather, it should be equilateral. All their properties and functions, although sometimes they are antagonistically working, they should make a balance with each other. Today we will talk about Kapha dosha. Kapha dosha is a bioenergy responsible for anabolic process. Nutrition, maintenance and growth all will take place only because of the Kapha dosha. Because Kapha dosha is a snigdha, anchas. Kapha dosha is a sheath, cooling effect. Kapha dosha is guru, nourishing effect, making more weight gain. Remember, weight gaining is because of the guru guna. Okay? So Vata, Pitta is a counterbalanced with Kapha dosha. So what are the types of Kapha dosha? I already told you that Vata, Pitta and Kapha bioenergies are working at a systemic level, at the tissue level, at the organ level and at the cellular level as well. From my head to toe, Vata, Pitta and Kapha, they are everywhere. They are everywhere. But still, there are some headquarters, capital cities for Vata dosh, for Pitta dosh and for Kapha dosh. So which are the headquarters of Kapha dosha? What are the names of the headquarters? What are the types of Kapha dosha? First, listen the 5 names. I will repeat it 3 times. Kledak, Bodhak, Shleshak, Avalambak, Tarpak. I know, my dear friends, this terminology one must digest to make our food eating more enjoyable, because we are learning Ayurveda. So as I have already told you, whenever you want to go to Germany, if you know German language, it's a more, what you can say, the icing on the cake. If you are visiting the France, then it is better to know the French language when you go to the Paris. Similarly, when you are entering into the kingdom of Ayurveda, you must know little bit Ayurvedic terminology. So what are the types of Kapha dosha? Kledak, Bodhak, Avalambak, Shleshak and Tarpak. All are lubricating, all are nourishing. All types of Kapha dosha, Kledak, Bodhak, Avalambak, Shleshak, Tarpak. Kledak, Bodhak, Avalambak, Shleshak, Tarpak. Each and every type of Kapha dosha is a Snigdha, Sheet, Guru, Anchas, cooling, heavy. That means it will give the support to your body. Okay? So all are lubricating, all are nourishing. Now, first we will talk about today Kledak Kapha. Kledana is a moistening effect, moisture. Kledan is a moisture effect. Kledaka, Kledakastu, Annasanghat Kledana. It is basically responsible to help the primary digestion of the food in the gastrointestinal tract or the digestive tract. Kledak Kapha Amashastu Kledagaha. It is situated in the Amashay. It is situated in the stomach. It is situated in the small intestine. It is situated in the gastrointestinal tract to help the digestion of the food. Till now, you have understood who is mainly concerned with the digestion, metabolism? I know. Pitta dosha is primarily concerned with the digestion, conversion of the food stuff. I know that. You also know that. But Vata is also helping giving the peristaltic movements of all the enzymatic secretion or the digestive juices or moving the food in and out. Everything churning metabolic process is helped with the help of the Vata dosha energy to movement. Pitta dosha is with the hot and fiery element. It is converting the proteins into amino acids, carbohydrates into glucose and fats into fatty acids. But during the process of digestion, there is also a need of water. There is also a need of anchas. Try to remember your kitchen. Go to your kitchen and see how we are cooking the rice. In the pressure cooker, we take rice grain. Okay? Then we put some water in it and then we put it on our flame of the gas. We put it on the fire. But before putting on the fire, we take precaution that we put the rice grain, but at the same time we do not forget to put the water. Otherwise, rice will not be cooked. It will totally burn. If you put directly rice grain in the cooker and forget to put the water and put it on the fire, gas fire, what will happen? Your whole rice will be spoiled and destructed. It is totally burned out. Ash will be developed. So to proper cooking of the rice, you put the water. Take the example of the vessel, put it some vegetable, cauliflower, cabbage, vegetables, you put it. But when you want to cook, what you do? You put either some water or you put basically for frying a pure cow's ghee. Do you remember? So after putting the ghee, that particular frying is very good and you can cook your vegetables very nicely. It will be tasty. There will be conversion of Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasagandha. Similarly, the Kledak Kapha is nothing but all types of mucus secretion, mucoid secretion in our gastrointestinal tract. Throughout stomach, intestine, they have the mucoid secretions. They protect the mucosal lining because the enzymes are hot. Hydrochloric acid in the stomach is very hot. So, what the function of the mucoid lining? Goblet cells, mucoid cells, they secrete the sticky secretion. They are alkaline in nature. So, number one, they protect your gastric mucosa. They protect your intestinal mucosa. They will not damage the mucosa because of the enzymatic secretions which of the pitta quality. And secondly, they separate the food particles. Bolus is separated and so the enzymes are acting more nicely. Remember, moistening, lubrication is done with the Kledak Kapha. So my dear friends, Kledak Kapha is helping for the process of digestion indirectly. But Kledak Kapha is very essential in the GI tract for the proper protection and proper digestion of the food stuff. My dear friends, today I have completed a talk about Kledak Kapha. In the next time, we will talk about another types of the Kapha Dosha. So there are 5 types of Kapha Dosha: Kledak, Bodhak, Avalambak, Shleshak and Tarpak. Kledak Kapha is all types of mucoid secretions secreted by the mucus secreting glands and also goblet cells. So I wish you all the best. Please take care of yourself and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.